Hi guys, Megan off Leash Canine Boise. Meet Henry. Hi Henry. Hi. Henry is our newest 2-week board and train. He is a 7-month-old French Bulldog. The owners bring him to us because they've had Henry since he was a puppy, and they say he's a great little dog, but like most Frenchies, he can be a bit stubborn. So some of the things they'd like to accomplish with Henry is they want to make sure that he has a really good understanding of obedience. Henry lives with 3 other dogs, and the owner said that although they've done some training with the other ones, they haven't been super successful, so they're really excited to have their dog professionally trained. So one of the biggest problems they have with Henry is that he likes to play keep away and he likes to bolt out front doors, gates, things like that. So we're going to work on that come command, teaching him he needs to come back to us no matter what's going on around him. In addition to that, Henry is what we call a Velcro dog. He loves to follow the owners around the home, which they love, but because he's little, he does like to get underfoot. So we're going to be working on that place command. Place is going to teach him to get up on an object and stay on it, which is a great way to work on boundary training around the home and just help give him some spatial awareness and structure. In addition to the come and the place command, we of course want to make sure he has really good leash manners with that heel command. As you can tell, he's absolutely beautiful. So lots of people are going to want to say hi to him. So making sure he can stay focused on the task at hand is going to be important. In addition to that, just some simple nuisance behaviors that most puppies have. Again, because people want to approach him and say hi, we want to make sure he doesn't jump up on new people, keeping his paws on the ground. Henry also can struggle with a little bit of separation anxiety, so we want to build some confidence and teach him it's okay that he can be home by himself. We are so excited to work with him. He is such a handsome boy. Make sure you stay tuned for his transformation. Good boy, Henry. Good boy.